I just felt the tension melt away. It was warming, it was relieving, it was soothing, plus it feels really good going on.
Yeah, I may not talk to you for the rest of the show because I'm gonna put this on. Listen, I told Jen, like my producer, she sees my face. I wore this specifically so that I could put this on. Like it's working. Look at my eyes.
Yeah,
Oh, you keep
especially
talking.
if
I'm
you've
sorry.
got a
I'm just gonna
tight
keep putting
knot.
this on. I'm sorry.
Well, I heard you say you did a workout, you got a tight knot in your shoulder. Sometimes I store tension in my neck. I love this body butter. It's also so great at night before bedtime. Take a nice warm shower or bath. Put this on any place you're feeling tense or sore. I promise you, your tensions will melt away and you will sleep like a baby, which is awesome. We all need that, right?
And so that's
This is
Venus's favorite,
great.
right?
This is Venus's favorite.
Okay,
This
now
is,
we got to
although
get to
I
you.
love,
Okay.
I love it too. I love it too. But this
Okay.
is truly her favorite. She also puts this on before she does something active, which helps her stay limber and prevent injury.